While rescuing the thief, this time the police of Churaibari police station was beaten by the common people. Later, the police managed to arrest 5 accused. In the details of the incident, it is known that due to the increase in theft in Churaibari police station area, common people take turns to guard the area at night. People of Lakshminagar area and the Churaibari police station caught a thief and informed the police on Sunday night. The thief was beaten nicely by the locals, but the police delayed reaching at the spot. When the police went to the spot and wanted to take the caught thief into their custody, a problem occurred. But the police took the caught thief into their custody and left the scene in a police car. Even the police of Churaibari police station were beaten by the common people consequently. The police managed to arrest 5 accused. But the rest of the accused managed to escape. There is intense tension in the area around the incident. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.